Ebijaguzo ebifundikira ebikojjoko eby'emyaka 10 egya Makerere University byetabiddwako abantu ab'enjawulo ng'omugenyi omukulu abadde Pulezidenti Yoweri Kaguta Tiwabula Museveni biteekeddwa ku Freedom Square ku University Makerere.
When the Europeans invented gunpowder, we didn't know about it. For us, we continued with the spears, with the arrows, and so on.
Wano Pulezidenti wasinzidde ne yeebaza koleji y'ebusawo wamu n'eya engineering olw'obuyiiya bwe bazibalesa myaka 10.
I congratulate Makerere, especially the science side. And when we came, of course, for us, NRM, we had studied all this. By the time we came, our views were very clear.
Asabye abantu okwetanira ennyo amasomo ga ssaayansi ne tekinologiya nga kuyamba okutwala ensi eno mu maaso.
That's why I am insisting on science and technology.
Asabye wabeewo okwegatta kw'amawanga g'obuvanjuba bwa Afrika ne Afrika okutwalira awamu okusobola okwongera katale.
The more they buy, the more prosperous I become. The more prosperous I become, the more people I employ. The more taxes I pay. If you don't solve the issue of integrity, if you don't talk about it as a main point, how shall we build prosperity?
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.